There is a place where the world seems to pause just for a moment. It is Santorini. Imagine standing high on a cliffside, the warm Greek sun on your skin. Before you, a cascade of brilliant white houses tumbles down towards the sea. They are like sugar cubes scattered by the gods, each one pristine and perfect. The famous blue domes are the color of twilight, a startling, beautiful contrast that simply takes your breath away. It is a sight so pure, so utterly dazzling, that it feels less like a place on Earth and more like a dream you have walked into. One simply has to stop and stare, absorbing the sheer spectacle of it all. The air here is different. It is light, filled with the faint scent of salt, and the promise of adventure. From this vantage point, you can see the whole of the caldera, a magnificent crescent of land, cradling the glittering Aegean Sea. As the day begins to soften, a special kind of magic descends upon the island. The legendary Santorini sunset is not just a daily event, it is a shared celebration of beauty. Couples find their perfect spot along the cliffside paths of Oia, settling in for the spectacle. Hand in hand, they watch as the sun begins its slow, graceful descent towards the horizon. The sky, once a brilliant blue, starts to blush with shades of soft pink and gentle lavender. The white walls of the village capture the light, glowing with a warm, golden radiance. The sea below reflects the fiery sky, shimmering like a pool of liquid gold. It is a moment so profound, so utterly romantic, that it feels as though the entire universe has conspired to create this perfect scene just for you and your loved one. A soft applause often ripples through the crowd. The lights of the villages begin to twinkle on like fallen stars scattered across the cliffs. This is the heart of Santorini's allure. It is a place that encourages connection, providing the perfect stage for romance to blossom. When you tear yourself away from the grand vistas, you find narrow, sun-dappled cobblestone streets winding through the villages. These are not mere pathways, they are charming labyrinths waiting to be explored. Every corner you turn reveals a new delight, a hidden courtyard, a doorway framed by a cascade of vibrant pink bougainvillea. The air is filled with the sweet, heady scent of jasmine and geranium spilling from window boxes. You can hear the gentle murmur of conversation from a nearby taverna, the distant chime of a church bell. Your fingers might trail along the rough, whitewashed walls, feeling the texture and the history they hold. Tiny shops with doorways painted bright blue and red beckon you inside. They are treasure troves filled with local crafts and beautiful ceramics. You might stumble upon a small family-run cafe with just 2 or 3 tables, the perfect spot to sit with a Freddo espresso and simply watch the world go by. It is a slow, meandering exploration with no destination in mind. Getting lost here is not a problem. It is the entire point. Each wrong turn leads to a new discovery, another beautiful vista, or a quiet corner perfect for a stolen kiss. The luxury of Santorini is effortless and elegant, designed to complement the island's natural splendor. Imagine waking up in a beautiful suite carved directly into the cliffside. Your private terrace opens up to an uninterrupted view of the caldera, a breathtaking panorama to greet you each morning. Many of these exclusive hotels feature their own infinity pools, where the crystal-clear water seems to merge seamlessly with the vast expanse of the Aegean Sea below. You can spend your days lounging in comfort and style, feeling the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze in your hair, with nothing but blue stretching out before you. You might take a leisurely catamaran cruise across the turquoise waters, sailing past the dramatic red beach and white beach. The boat glides smoothly over the sea, offering a different perspective of the island's magnificent volcanic cliffs. You can dive into the cool, clear water for a swim, or snorkel in a secluded cove, exploring the vibrant marine life beneath the surface. It is a feeling of absolute freedom, of being completely at one with the beautiful natural world around you. As you sail, you see the island in all its glory. The villages of Fira and Oia look like snow-capped mountains from a distance, their white buildings glistening in the sunlight. On board, you are treated to delicious Greek delicacies and local wine, the flavors as fresh and vibrant as the scenery. The gentle rocking of the boat, the warmth of the sun, and the stunning views all combine to create a state of deep relaxation. As the day draws to a close, you can return to your cliffside haven, feeling refreshed and inspired. This is the ultimate romantic escape, a place where every detail is designed for beauty, comfort, and connection. Whether you are floating in your private pool, sailing on the Aegean Sea, or simply sitting on your balcony watching the world go by, Santorini envelops you in its magic. It invites you to dream, to relax, and to fall in love. Imagine yourself here, in this paradise on Earth, where every moment is a beautiful memory in the making. Your romantic escape awaits.